We all love food. Yeah, we all have our own various preferences, and also we have foods that we stay away from, often for religious reasons. In this episode of FTD Facts, I'll be featuring 10 most popular haram or forbidden and halal or permissible foods. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Leroy Kenton here. Now, the first 5 foods I'm going to look at will be haram, and then the last 5 will be the halal foods. You guys have continuously asked for more and more videos like this, so hope you enjoy this one. All right, so let's get into the haram foods in this list. Number 10 brings us wine vinegar. Now, wine vinegar is either made from red or white wine, and white wine vinegar is moderately tangy vinegar that French cooks really use, and they use it specifically to make hollandaise sauce, as well as vinaigrettes and things like that. Now, for red wine vinegar, it's mainly used in cooking, but may have other uses, like it's often an ingredient in salad dressings and marinades, and usually levels of remaining alcohol in red wine vinegar come in at under 2%. So yeah, definitely haram. Blood sausages are number 9, called by many names like black pudding or even kazanka, but blood sausage is a delicacy that is enjoyed by connoisseurs all around the world. It's made the exact same way as any other sausage, but instead of just containing meat as well as various different spices, it also contains blood and usually some kind of filler to soak up the blood so that it doesn't leak out during cooking. This gives it a little bit of an extra distinct flavor. It's also high in iron, of course, blood, and vitamin A as well, all due to the fact that it has so much blood in it. Moving on to escargot. Escargot, or snails, is a dish that consists of cooking edible land snails. They're often served as hors d'oeuvres and consumed by French people as well as people in Germany, Great Britain, Portugal, Spain, Italy, and come to think about everywhere people eat these. Now, according to one Muslim scholar, Ibn Hazm, it is not permissible to eat land snails or any other insect and vermin such as cockroaches and ants and lizards and bedbugs and mosquitoes, anything like that, because the Quran says these words, and I quote, "Forbidden to you for food are al-maita, dead animals, and unless you are able to slaughter it before its death." And that's found in Surah 5 verses 3. Now we gotta, of course, look at pepperoni. This is a very popular food. Although there are halal alternatives, this food as it's originally made is haram. Pepperoni is also known as pepperoni sausage, and it is an American variety of salami, usually made from cured pork and beef mashed up together. It's a popular topping to put on pizza, and it is not halal at all in Islam. It's strictly haram. But some people have improvised and used chicken as an alternative though. But yeah, like I mentioned, I'm just talking about pepperoni in its original state. Also, did you know that chocolate can contain alcohol? Chocolates, like certain kinds of truffles, chocolates can contain alcohol. So definitely you want to check it out before you eat it. Now, it's not much alcohol. You definitely have to consume a lot if you're gonna get drunk. You literally would have to almost eat 4 100-gram blocks of chocolate to get 1 shot of liquor. So yeah, you're good on that sense when it comes to getting drunk. But either way, because of the alcohol content that it can contain, definitely check the ingredients, because that would make it 100% haram, even if it is a small bit of alcohol. Okay, from there we move on to the halal foods. This is going to be exciting. Number 5 brings us to tahini. The tahini dip, spread, or condiment is made from a base of toasted and ground sesame seeds ground to a paste form, and it's really essential to pretty much every single Middle Eastern dish. Tahini goes well with sweet and savory flavors, and you can enjoy it even with some foods in this episode. Pad Thai comes in at number 4. Pad Thai is a universal Thai delicacy that has given more shine on the country of Thailand as a country than pretty much anything else. No, I'm just saying that because I love food. There's many other great things about Thailand, but I literally can eat this all day. So Much love and respect to Thailand for giving us this dish. Pad Thai is stir-fried noodles that can be prepared according to customers' needs. You can add almost anything in the noodles like tofu, bean sprouts, eggs, chicken, onions, fish, seafood, as well as many other ingredients. Like, it is just delicious, especially sprinkling some peanuts on it. Wow. Number 3, pita with za'atar. This is a staple in Middle Eastern cuisine. It's a warm pita bread served pretty much with every single meal. What makes za'atar pita so unique is that the dough is sprinkled with a blend of Middle Eastern spices, which include oregano, thyme, as well as marjoram to enhance its flavor. Now, one thing to note is that the za'atar plant is endangered, so the purchase of a jar of this herb mixture is definitely worth it, but you're gonna be paying a little bit extra. Can you really put a price tag on good food and good seasoning? No, I don't think so. Okay, now you guys know that I had to include hummus in this episode. It comes in at number 2. Everybody knows about hummus. It's a creamy and smooth blend of mashed chickpeas, tahini, olive oil, lemon juice, and garlic. Hummus is served as either a dip with traditional pita bread and vegetables, but you could also use it as a spread in a burger or even with a baked potato, or just eat it by itself, honestly. Hummus is pretty much a staple dish in the Middle East, and it's a healthy appetizer found in nearly all Middle Eastern restaurants, and is definitely one of the best picks to start off your exploration when it comes to Middle Eastern foods if you're not necessarily used to those foods. And at number 1, I had to put shawarmas here. It's literally the Arabic version of the Greek gyros. You got this flat bread packed up with meat that's slow cooked on a rotisserie. You can use laffa or pita bread and fill it up with this meat, of course, as well as various different sauces and spices and vegetables. It's definitely become one of my favorite foods. Just this wrap just filled with goodness, guys. That's literally what this is. Can you guys tell that I love food? Yeah? Either way, that brings us to the end of another episode. Thank you guys so much for coming back, and don't forget to leave your thoughts and comments down below. Now, I know there's a whole lot of other haram and halal dishes that are very popular in various parts of the world, but I just had to pick 5 and 5 for this one. As always, leave a like before you head on out of here, and until next time, guys, stay awesome, stay educated. See y'all real soon.